Assalamualaikum and a very good day. Our group has chosen Tenaga Nasional Berhad as the company for our project report. Now, I would like to introduce first about Tenaga Nasional Berhad, or we known as TNB. TNB is the largest electricity utility in Malaysia and a major player in Southeast Asia. Established in 1949 and corporatized in 1990, TNB is involved in electricity generation, transmission, distribution, and retailing. Headquartered in Kuala Lumpur, it serves over 10 million customers across Malaysia and parts of Indonesia. TNB is crucial to Malaysia's economic growth and is now playing an active role in the country's energy transition. As part of its long-term strategy, TNB is committed to sustainability and aims to achieve net zero carbon emissions by 2050. Next, I will continue this presentation by discussing the TNB's Sustainable Development Goals (SDG). Firstly, TNB supports SDG 7 by ensuring reliable and sustainable electricity for all Malaysians. The company invests in solar and hydro energy to reduce emissions while expanding access to rural areas through electrification programs. TNB also upgrades to smart grids and maintains affordable tariffs, especially for low-income groups, reflecting its commitment to a greener and inclusive Other than future. Tenaga Nasional Berhad also supports SDG 9 by modernizing the country's energy infrastructure and encouraging innovation. TNB develops smart grid system and applies advanced tech like AI, IoT, and data analytics to improve efficiency. Through TNB research and collaboration with institutions, the company promotes clean energy innovation, driving sustainable infrastructure and industrial progress. And the last one, TNB also supports SDG 11 by promoting smart and sustainable urban living. In the Putrajaya Smart City project, TNB introduced smart meters to boost energy efficiency. The company also expands EV charging stations and provides electricity to rural areas. These efforts reflect TNB's commitment to building greener, safer, and more connected communities across Malaysia.
Maafkan number metrik 1241543. So, definition, the fourth industrial revolution or IR 4.0 refers to the integration of digital technologies such as artificial intelligence AI, the Internet of Things IoT, robotics, big data analytics, and cloud computing into industrial processes. Tenaga Nasional Berhad is embracing IR 4.0 to enhance operational efficiency, promote sustainability, and increase customer certification. First one is implementation of smart meters. One of TNB's major steps is replacing traditional electricity meters with smart meters starting in the Klang Valley. These smart meters allow real-time monitoring of energy usage and enable two-way communication between users and TNB. This leads to faster response times during power outages and improve service quality. The second one is development of smart grid through Grid of the Future initiative. TNB is also developing a smart grid network which supports efficient load management, automatic fault detection, high-speed data flow for better decision making. Goal and future plan, TNB aims to reduce operating costs. The last one is skilling and upskilling the workforce. Encourage the use of renewable energy sources under the TNB 2025 reimagining program. The company is also investing in staff training focused on automation, big data management, intelligent system, and digital solution.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Wanir Maisarah binti Wan Ghazali and my metric number is 1241561. Next, 2.2 discuss about innovation in TNB. There are two innovations. First, battery energy storage system BESS. TNB is actively distributing BESS to store excess electricity generated during periods of low demands and release it during peak demand times. This technology helps balance supply and demand, enhancing all the stability of the power grid and work as emergency backup in case of grid interruptions. Second, electric vehicle EV station. EV station is one of the TNB's passion to develop the EV ecosystem in Malaysia. TNB's EV station also support the shift away from fossil fuels to contribute environmental
Assalamualaikum
sustainability.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nabatrisha binti Abu Bakar. My matrix number is 1241531. So today I will present about company versus global environment. Firstly, the Najiri Dam project is a major investment in renewable energy. With a development cost of 5 billion, it will generate 3,000 megawatts of hydroelectric power, significantly strengthening the country's green energy supply. This project alone is expected to reduce 0.3 million tons of carbon emission annually, which is equivalent to remove 700 cars from the road. Despite the high cost, the dam brings long-term economic benefit through job creation, infrastructure development, and increased rural investment. Its strategy moved the both environmental sensibility and
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurida Fakir binti Wesley and my matrix number is 1241538. Leadership is one of the important concepts in TNB. From observation, there are leadership and management, also leadership and power. Leadership is inspiring and guiding process, while management is a process to manage the structure of organization. Power is considered as the ability to influence others. The company in leadership and management is people. The people concept is about how TNB protect all of the employees in this industry. For example, TNB built the Gazettement of Amendment to the Work Act 2022 to protect the workers from harassment in workplace. Also, the TWA, which is TNB ways of working to ensure the flexible workplace and the dress code. Next, the component of leadership and power is a referent. This is about the influence and the charisma on someone. The MB president is the person who have an excellent background and allow people to make him as inspiration in life. His personality make himself earn the respect from surrounding. People saw his ability and experience and also education background to make him worthy as a TNB
In aspect
leader.
of quality and productivity, Tenaga Nasional Berhad TNB Malaysia's largest electricity utility applies controlling concept to ensure outputs meet desired targets and resources are used efficiently. As a public utility, maintaining high quality and productivity is essential for its reputation and service delivery. TNB uses benchmarking as a tool for quality management, comparing its performance against industry leaders and international best practices. For instance, in terms of SAIDI, System Average Interruption Duration Index, if Singapore Power records 1 hour annually and TNB achieve 45 minutes, it shows strong performance. However, TNB must continue monitoring and improving to stay globally competitive and ensure reliable power supply. On the other hand, efficiency refers to achieving maximum outputs with minimum input in terms of time, cost, and resources. In administration, this means reducing delays, eliminating waste, and simplifying processes to meet goals effectively. The NB enhance efficiently through technology and automation, including AI systems that reduce manpower needs and improve performance. Key performance indicators (KPIs) such as energy output per employee and maintenance response times help track this improvement. Investment in renewable energy and automated operation further support efficiency and sustainability.